So in the last lecture, I taught you about different types of polygons, convex and concave, and we are going to focus on convex polygons only. Okay. Then I taught you about what are the sides and what are the interior angles, exterior angles, diagonals of a polygon. Okay. Then sum of all the interior angles of a polygon. We derived a formula by dividing the polygon into triangles. So the formula which we derived was 2n minus 4 times right angles, right? So that is the sum of, where n is the number of sides. So this is the formula for sum of all interior angles of a polygon, 2n minus 4 times right angles. Then sum of all exterior angle, and here the thing was easy. It was very easy to remember that sum of all exterior angle is always 360 degrees. Sum of all exterior angle is always 360, whether it is a triangle or a quadrilateral or a pentagon or a hexagon or whatever it may be. Sum of all exterior angle is always 360. I also showed you the meaning of exterior angle. What is an exterior angle? Okay. One more thing I just want to give you an idea about. Just note it down. I hope you're noting down everything what I say here. Just note this fact down. Sum of an exterior angle and its adjacent interior angle, sum of an exterior angle and its adjacent interior angle is always 180 degree. Okay, sum of an exterior angle and its adjacent interior angle is always 180 degree. So just look here in the figure, I will explain you what I am talking about. Now this is the interior angle. Okay, this is the exterior angle, I and E. If you look at them closely, they are forming a straight line. ये एक straight line पे बन रहे हैं दोनों angle, and angles on a straight line are known as linear pair. लीनियर पेयर, एंड लीनियर पेयर में जो एंगल होते हैं उनका सम हमेशा कितना होता है? इट इज़ ऑलवेज 180 डिग्रीज. ओके, सो sum of any exterior angle and its adjacent interior angle is always 180 degree, since they always, note it down, since they always form a linear pair. Linear pairs are the angles which lie on a straight line. ठीक है, सो एक नया इन्फॉर्मेशन मैंने दिया है तुमको, इसको याद रखना है तुम्हें. ठीक है, फिर फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे मैं डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ. सॉल्व एग्जाम्पल है, इज इट पॉसिबल टू हैव अ पॉलीगॉन द सम ऑफ हुज इंटीरियर एंगल्स इज 9 राइट एंगल्स? Is it possible to have a polygon the sum of whose interior angles is 9 right angle? अब ये ऐसा एक अजीब क्वेश्चन है वेयर दे आर नॉट आस्किंग अस टू फाइंड एनीथिंग, बट दे आर आस्किंग अस टू prove that whether it is possible or not to have the sum of all interior angles equal to 9 times right angle. That is 9 into 90. 9 into 90 is uh, 810. So is it possible to have the sum of all interior angles as 810? So simply what we do is, on the left hand side we write the formula of sum of all interior angles of a polygon, that is 2n minus 4 times 90, and on the right hand side we write 9 times 90. That is what they have given us in the question. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन में दिया है उन्होंने कि 9 राइट एंगल्स जितना सम पॉसिबल है क्या सारे इंटीरियर एंगल का, तो उसको मैंने राइट हैंड साइड में लिखा और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में फॉर्मूला. इसको सॉल्व करके आई गॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ n as 6.5. नाउ व्हाट इज n? कैन एनीवन टेल मी? आदित्य, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज n? n क्या होता है?
Sir, n is the number of sides.
Very good. N is the number of sides or number of angles. Can the number of side be in fraction? Never. Never. They can never be in fraction. Number of sides हमेशा होल नंबर होता है. या तो किसी पॉलीगॉन में 3 साइड होती है, या तो 4 है, या तो 5. कभी 3.5 साइड होती है, 3.5 कभी नहीं हो सकती. That's not possible. So write one more note over here. Number of sides, ब्रैकेट में लिखो n, can never be in fraction. नंबर ऑफ साइड कभी फ्रैक्शन में हो ही नहीं सकती. ठीक है, n is always a natural number such that n is greater than equal to 3. नंबर ऑफ साइड या तो 3 होगी या तो 3 से बड़ी, बट हमेशा नेचुरल नंबर ही रहेगी नंबर ऑफ साइड्स. Number of sides can never be in fraction. N is always a natural number such that n is always greater than equal to 3. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो. द साइड्स ऑफ अ पेंटागन आर प्रोड्यूस्ड इन ऑर्डर. ओके, पेंटागन कैसा दिखता है? पेंटागन, डू वी हैव अ पेंटागन हियर? लेट मी चेक इन माय शेप्स. नो, आई डोंट हैव एनी पेंटागन, सो आई हैव टू मेक इट. ओके, सो पेंटागन लुक्स लाइक दिस. इट्स नॉट अ रेगुलर पेंटागन. रेगुलर का मतलब सारे साइड्स और एंगल इक्वल होता है. मैंने जस्ट ऐसे ही एक आइडिया से पेंटागन बनाया. दिस इज हाउ पेंटागन लुक्स लाइक. ओके, ए बी सी डी ई, ये इसके वर्टाइसेस के नाम दे दिए मैंने. अच्छा, अब क्या बोला है? द साइड्स ऑफ पेंटागन आर प्रोड्यूस्ड इन ऑर्डर. वेन एवर दे से प्रोड्यूस्ड, प्रोड्यूस्ड का मतलब होता है एक्सटेंडेड. दे आर एक्सटेंडेड इन वन ऑर्डर. That means you go on extended either clockwise or either anti-clockwise. ठीक है, so I'll just extend AB from this side, BC from here. See, मैं clockwise direction में जा रहा हूँ. CD, I will extend DE, I will extend AE, I will extend. ठीक है, so ये तो extend कर दिया. If the measures of exterior angles so obtained are x, 2x, 3x, 4x and 5x, find all the exterior angles. तो लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं पता है? जो exterior angle बन रहा है ना, those are given in terms of x. This exterior angle is x. This exterior angle is 2x. See, your angle and measurement does not matter. Okay, यहाँ पे geometrical construction नहीं करना है अपने को. We just have to understand and solve. ठीक है, so your angle measurement might not look accurate. Don't worry about it. This is 3x, this is 4x, and this is 5x. You have to find all the exterior angles. जो x की वैल्यू है वो तुम्हें ढूंढनी है. So can anyone suggest me an idea कि कैसे कर सकते हैं इसको? How to do this? Just an idea. सारे exterior angle दिए x के terms में. How to do it? Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, so like, what can we do, sir? We can add all of this angles, and which will be equal to 360 degree, because the exterior angle is always 360.
Sum of all exterior angle is always 360. So very good. X plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 360. Add कर दो सबको. X plus 2x, 3x plus 3x, 6x plus 4x, 10x plus 5x, 15x is equal to 360. X is equal to 360 by 15. So x is equal to, इसको calculate कर लो. I think 3 से कटेगा. 3 5s are 320s are 5 24s are. Yeah, the value of x is 24, correct? ओके ग्रेट. x मिल गया, लेकिन हमें ऑल एक्सटीरियर एंगल ढूंढना है. वी हैव टू फाइंड ऑल द एक्सटीरियर एंगल. देयरफॉर x इज इक्वल टू 24, 2x इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 24 48, 3x इज इक्वल टू 3 इंटू 24 72, 4x इज इक्वल टू 4 इंटू 24 96, 5x इज इक्वल टू 5 इंटू 24 120. सो दीज आर द एंगल्स ऑफ एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स ऑफ द पेंटागन. सारे एक्सटीरियर एंगल है ये पेंटागन के. समझ में आया? बहुत इजी है. इट्स अ वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, राइट? कूल. ओके ग्रेट. तो चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो दिस इज हाउ दे हैव डन इट. वी हैव डन द सेम वे. Okay, one angle of a 7-sided polygon is 114 and each of the other 6 angles is x. I'm sorry. Find the magnitude of x. Okay, so what they are saying is 7-sided polygon. I don't have to draw this polygon. If you are thinking कि इसको कैसे construct करेंगे and how will make it, how will make 114, there is no need of your geometrical construction. ठीक है? So what you do is you just take n is equal to 7. n क्या है? Number of sides, which is 7. So therefore sum of all interior angles, इसका फॉर्मूला हमें पता है क्या है, 2n minus 4 times 90 है ना. So that is 2 times 7 minus 4 times 90. 2 sevens are 14 minus 4 times 90. 14 minus 4 is 10 times 90, which is 900. Sum of all interior angles of a polygon is 900. Okay, sum of all interior angles of this polygon is 900. अब ये 900 को मैं क्या करूँगा, मैं मेरे क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से इक्वेट करूँगा, एक इक्वेशन बना के. एक एंगल 114 है और बाकी के 6 के 6 x है. सो 114 प्लस x प्लस x प्लस x प्लस x प्लस x प्लस x is equal to 900. That is 114 plus 6x is equal to 900. So 6x is equal to 900 minus 114. So 6x is equal to how much you find out, and x is equal to how much you find out. Come on, you have to do it. Write it down. पूरा लिख लो. I'm giving you 5 minutes for noting it down, understanding and finding the value of x. बहुत easy question है. It's a very easy question. Come on guys. Then we move to the next topic of regular polygon. Okay, 780 what? 6.
786.
Okay, and this will be 141. Is it correct?
No, sir.
Sir, 131.
Yes,
One-
sir, I also got 135.
Oh, 131. Sorry, my mistake. 131. Very good. So the value of x is 131. Very good. Very nice. Correct answer. Okay, let's go ahead to the next question. First part is finished. Okay, I'll give you the homework, selected questions after we finish this class. So let's, yes,
I have a doubt, sir. So, like,
yeah.
here it's written that each of the other angle is x degrees. So, sir, it means that the other 6 angles are the same.
They are equal.
Okay.
They are all 6 angles are equal. Only one of them is unequal, which is 114. Right? Cool. Okay. Next topic in front of you, that is regular polygon. Regular. So what do you mean by regular polygon? It is also a polygon. It is also convex polygon. But it is a special kind of convex polygon. Very interesting kind. Regular polygon. Regular polygon is a polygon in which all angles are equal, all interior angles, all exterior angles are equal, and all sides are equal. Everything is equal. All interior angles equal, all exterior angles equal, all sides are equal. सब कुछ equal होता है इसमें. Can you name a regular polygon which has three sides? You all know it. You all know it. Regular polygon which has three sides. Very good. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle में तीन साइड होती है, तीनों साइड इक्वल होती है. तीन एंगल होते हैं, तीनों एंगल इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री होते हैं. सो इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन विच हैज थ्री साइड्स. Regular polygon which has four sides, can you name it? Square. Very good. Square has all four sides equal. Yes, Aditya, what are you saying?
Sir, also rhombus, right?
No, not rhombus, because rhombus के angles equal नहीं होते हैं. हमारे प्रॉपर्टी क्या है कि रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन में एंगल भी इक्वल होना चाहिए, साइड्स भी इक्वल होनी चाहिए, एक्सटीरियर एंगल भी इक्वल होने चाहिए. सो स्क्वायर में ऑल द एंगल्स आर 90 डिग्री, all the sides are equal. Okay, so it is a complete figure. It is a completely regular quadrilateral. ठीक है, एक quadrilateral है जिसकी सब कुछ equal होता है उसमें. So that is square. So you have got an idea about how regular polygon looks like. वैसे ही regular pentagon, regular hexagon, regular heptagon होते हैं. ठीक है. Now this section is about regular polygons. Sum of all interior angle तो उतना ही होगा, 2n minus 4 times 90. लेकिन यहाँ पे और एक फॉर्मूला बढ़ जाएगा, दैट इज टू फाइंड ईच इंटीरियर एंगल. ईच इंटीरियर एंगल का वैल्यू होगा 2n माइनस 4 टाइम्स 90 डिवाइडेड बाय n. सम ऑफ एक्सटीरियर एंगल उतना ही होगा 360, लेकिन ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल का फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे चेंज हो जाएगा, दैट इज 360 डिवाइडेड बाय n. हमेशा डिवाइडेड बाय n करना पड़ेगा तुम्हें. क्यों? क्योंकि जितनी नंबर ऑफ साइड्स है उसमें ये टोटल सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल या एक्सटीरियर एंगल डिवाइड हो जाएगा, एंड ईच इंटीरियर और ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल विल बी nth फैक्टर ऑफ द टोटल सम. ठीक है, इसलिए डिवाइड बाय n करते हैं हम लोग. अच्छा, नंबर ऑफ साइड्स का एक ब्यूटीफुल फॉर्मूला है. नंबर ऑफ साइड्स ऑफ रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाय एक्सटीरियर एंगल. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द थर्ड फॉर्मूला. एंड द लास्ट फॉर्मूला is, which I have already given you, exterior angle plus interior angle is equal to 180 degree. ये तुमने already लिख लिया है. ठीक है, whether the given polygon is regular or not doesn't matter. At each vertex the sum of exterior and interior angles becomes 180 degree. ठीक है, because they both form a straight line, they are linear pair. Okay, so what I want you to write right now are these three I'm sorry, one more included in that list. I want you to write these. ठीक है, 1 2 3 ये वाले फॉर्मूले सारे लिख लो प्लीज.
But I didn't get the last formula. One of sides are like.
You see this formula, this one, उसी से बना है ये फॉर्मूला. So what they have done is they have shifted n over here and they have shifted each exterior angle over here. तो नंबर ऑफ साइड्स का फॉर्मूला बन गया. 360 बाई ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ साइड्स. द सेम फॉर्मूला, इट इज द सेम फॉर्मूला रिटर्न इन अ डिफरेंट वे. प्लीज नोट, या बट यू नीड टू नोट इट डाउन. Note it down, please note it down in your notebooks. You write the formula, you remember it, okay? That's why you need to note it down right now. Is tomorrow a holiday for you guys?
Yes, sir.
Anushri?
Yes.
Great, great, great. So I can take a good amount of lecture tomorrow morning then. Okay, let's move ahead. I will share this PDF with you, and you can note down the formula later. Okay, chal. Next example. This is about regular polygon, so just be uh, mindful about this new concept of regular polygon. Okay, I'll teach you how. I'll show you how it is, how the concept of regular polygon can be useful here. If each interior angle of a regular polygon is 144 degree, interior angle they are talking about, regular polygon's interior angle, find the number of sides in it. Okay, no need to draw the polygon. Again, I am telling you, no need of construction. What you do is this: interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, first you use this relationship. Interior angle is 144. Exterior angle I don't know. Their sum is 180, I know. Exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 144. So exterior angle will be equal to 36 degrees. 36 degree, 180 minus 44, 36 degrees. Okay, now you got the exterior angle. Now you see what to do. Therefore, number of sides, we will use the formula for number of sides. अभी लिखा तुमने, number of sides is equal to 360 degree divided by exterior angle. That is 360 degree divided by 36 degrees, which is 10. So therefore n is equal to 10. Final answer. Very easy. You understood? We use the formula of interior plus exterior angle, ठीक है, with the relation which we already know, and then we use the formula for number of sides. So अगर तुम्हें interior angle भी पता है और regular polygon है वो, so we can find the number of sides easily using this method.
Sir, this the first one, just this is equal to 180. So like, I didn't get that like when they add the form 180, they get done.
I showed you here with a diagram. Wait, I'll show you again. See this diagram. Do you see an exterior angle I have marked as E?
Yes, sir.
You want me to zoom in?
Yes, sir, I can see it now.
Exterior angle is E and interior angle is I. They are both lying on a straight line, so they form a linear pair, and a straight line has its angle equal to 180 degree, and that's why their sum is 180.
Okay, sir.
They are always linear pairs, the exterior and interior angles. Okay, let's move to the next question. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with each interior angle equal to 105 degrees? Now they are asking a similar question like before. So we can use the formula, na? Let the number of sides of a regular polygon be n. Therefore, each interior angle is equal to 2n minus 4 times 90, 2n minus 4 times 90 divided by n. ठीक है, इंटीरियर एंगल का फॉर्मूला है ये रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन का, विच वी हैव नोटेड डाउन जस्ट नाउ. ठीक है, सो ईच इंटीरियर एंगल इज दिस मच. नाउ दे आर आस्किंग, इज इट पॉसिबल टू हैव एन इंटीरियर एंगल इक्वल टू 105? So 2n minus 4 times 90 divided by n is equal to 105. So what we do is we equate it with 105 and we check what is n. हम लोग चेक करेंगे कि n क्या आता है, n होल नंबर आता है या नहीं आता है. अगर होल नंबर नहीं आता है तो इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल, अगर होल नंबर आता है तो इट इज़ पॉसिबल. सो आई जस्ट शिफ्ट n टू द अदर साइड. 2n minus 4 times 90 is equal to 105n. I'll multiply 90 here, so it will become 180n minus 360 is equal to 105n. I'll solve this further. 180n minus 105n is equal to 360. So 75n is equal to 360. So n is equal to 360 divided by 75, and this will cut with 5. 5, what's a 360? 5 sevens are 5 sevens are 35 and 5 twos are 10. Correct, 72s are, and 5 15s are. Okay, this will cut with 3 5s are and 3 24s are, right? 24 3s are 72. Correct. So we are getting 24 divided by 5, which is 4.8. So since n is not a whole number, therefore it is not possible. ठीक है, n होल नंबर नहीं है, 4.8 आया. So it is not possible to have a regular polygon with each interior angle equal to 105. जैसे पहले किया था वही टाइप है, सिर्फ फॉर्मूला चेंज हो गया. प्लीज नोट इट डाउन. Okay, let's go ahead. Sum of all interior angles of a regular polygon is equal to 6 times the sum of exterior angles. Find the number of sides in the polygon. Very easy. Sum of all interior angles. Remember, sum of all interior angles of a regular polygon. The formula does not change. The formula is the same. What is the formula for sum of all interior angles? Can anyone tell me the formula?
It's not
2n minus 4 to 9.
Correct. 2n minus 4 times 90. Okay. And what is the sum of all exterior angles? Can anyone tell me?
It's not 360
Very good.
N divided by n.
No, sum of all exterior angle is 360, not 360 by n. 360 by n is the each exterior angle. Sum of all exterior angle, sum of exterior angles is 360. Okay. So what they are saying is sum of all interior angles is 6 times sum of all exterior angles. So we'll just form an equation. 2n minus 4 times 90 is equal to 6 times 360. And we'll solve this. This is very easy. 2n minus 4 is equal to 6 times 360. 6 times 360 by 90. 0, 0 will cut. 9 4s are 36. So 2n minus 4 is equal to 24. So 2n is equal to 24 plus 4. So 2n is equal to 28. So n is equal to 28 by 2. So n is equal to 14. The number of sides is 14. Very easy. And here there is no use of any special property of regular polygon. ये तो तुम्हारी normal property से हो गया. Sum of all interior and exterior angles. Very easy question. Please note it down. Yes. Let's go ahead. The answer is 14, correct? Okay, this is very nice. Exterior angle and an interior angle of a regular polygon are in the ratio 2:7. Find the number of sides in the polygon. Very good question. Okay, so we'll write the statement as let the exterior angle be 2x and interior angle be 7x. Let the exterior angle be 2x and interior angle be 7x.
Sir, mostly in this kind of sums, sir, like
Yeah.
do the ratios like mostly like 2x or like 7x, whatever the number we get in ratio.
Yeah. Yeah, always, always. 2:7. So if you want to find the angles, you have to write it in terms of x, because x is the common multiple. ठीक है. अब now what is 2x? Exterior angle. What is 7x? Interior angle. And we know the relationship. 2x plus 7x is equal to 180. Right? Their sum is always 180. So 9x is equal to 180. The sum of interior and exterior angle is always 180. So x is equal to 180 divided by 9. So x is equal to 20 degree. Therefore, exterior angle is equal to 2 times x, which is 2 times 40, which is, sorry, 2 times 20, because x is 20, I'm sorry, x is 20. ठीक है, तो 2 times 20 is 40 degree. Exterior angle मिल गया. Now somebody would ask me, sir, interior angle ढूंढना है क्या? नहीं ढूंढना है. नहीं ढूंढना है. Interior angle ढूंढने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You know why you don't need to find the interior angle? Because हमें ढूंढनी है नंबर ऑफ साइड्स, एंड नंबर ऑफ साइड्स के लिए एक सीधा फॉर्मूला है, स्ट्रेट फॉर्मूला. क्या है स्ट्रेट फॉर्मूला? नंबर ऑफ साइड्स इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाय exterior angle. Just do this. So number of side is 360 degree divided by 40, which is 9. Number of sides is 9. So this regular polygon will have 9 sides. This formula is only for regular polygon. So very easy questions they have in this part. Okay, great. So let's move ahead, shall we? Any doubt, Aditya?
Yes, sir. So like I didn't get the last part. So like after we found the exterior angle, then we went to find the
Number of sides. Yeah, there is a direct formula. This is the direct formula. You remember the formula? That's why I told you to write down all the formula.
Yes, sir. I wrote it. Yes, sir. I wrote it.
This is the formula. Number of sides is equal to 360 upon exterior. So it is all formula based. There is no, step which is out of formula. Yeah. Okay, let's move to the next question then. Last question. The ratio of the number of sides of two regular polygons is 1:2. Number of sides का ratio दिया है. And the ratio of the sum of their interior angles is 3:8. Find the number of sides in each polygon. This is actually a challenging question. इस क्वेश्चन को मैं मानता हूँ कि ये थोड़ा सा चैलेंजिंग क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है, सो देखो इसको कैसे सॉल्व करना है. दिस इज रियली रियली इंटरेस्टिंग. सो दो पॉलीगॉन ले लेंगे हम लोग. पॉलीगॉन 1 एंड पॉलीगॉन 2. लेट देयर बी टू पॉलीगॉन्स, पॉलीगॉन 1 एंड पॉलीगॉन 2. ठीक है. अच्छा, इनकी जो नंबर ऑफ साइड्स का रेशियो है वो 1:2 है. ठीक है. सो इसमें जो साइड है, नंबर ऑफ साइड्स, उसको मैं ले लूँगा x, और इसमें जो नंबर ऑफ साइड्स दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 2x, x एंड 2x. राइट. Okay, what will be the sum of all interior angles? Sum of all interior angle is 2n minus 4 times 90. 2n minus 4 times 90. That is 2x minus 4 टाइम्स 90. ठीक है. इसको एज इट इज़ छोड़ दो, अभी कुछ मत करो. n की जगह x डाल दिया मैंने और कुछ नहीं किया है, क्योंकि नंबर ऑफ साइड्स को मैंने x लिया है. ओके. पॉलीगॉन 2 में सम ऑफ ऑल इंटीरियर एंगल्स निकाल लेंगे. पॉलीगॉन 2 में सम ऑफ ऑल इंटीरियर एंगल्स विल बी 2n माइनस 4 टाइम्स 90. लेकिन यहाँ पे in the place of n number of sides I am going to write 2x because it has 2x sides. So 2 times 2x minus 4 times 90. This is a very crucial and important step. So this will be 4x minus 4 times 90. 4x minus 4 times 90. So these are the number of, sorry, sum of all the interior angles of both the polygons. अभी क्वेश्चन बाकी है, बट प्लीज़ तुम इतना लिख लो, फिर ही मैं तुम्हें आगे एक्सप्लेन करूँगा. राइट दिस मच, एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स प्लीज़ आस्क मी, बिकॉज दिस इज़ रियली रियली क्रूशियल. बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन है ये, एंड इट्स वेरी ईजी ऑल्सो, बट यू शुड गो स्टेप वाइज. सो प्लीज़ नोट इट डाउन. रेशियो ऑफ नंबर ऑफ साइड्स हमें दिया था 1:2. सो आई टुक the sides of first polygon as x and second polygon as 2x, and then I found the sum of all interior angles in terms of x and 2x. अगर किसी को पता है कि आगे क्या करना है, what we have to do next, so they can discuss with me, but wait for 2 minutes. Wait for everyone to note it down. Then I will ask you. थिंक, आगे क्या करना है, सोचो. जब मैं पूछूंगा मुझे बताओ. Okay. Yes, please. Anyone has any idea आगे क्या करना है?
Sir, like, sir, that's written that the ratio of the sum of the interior angle is 3:8.
Correct.
So, sir, like, we can assume that 3 we can assume that 3 will be 3x and 8 can be 8x.
No. No. Anybody else? Any idea? See, we have the sum of all the interior angles of first polygon, and we have the sum of all interior angles of the second polygon, and their ratio is 3:8. So the simplest way of solving this is writing this way: 2x minus 4 times 90 upon 4x minus 4 times 90 is equal to directly 3 upon 8. उन दोनों के पॉलीगॉन के इंटीरियर एंगल्स के सम के रेशियो लेके उसको 3/8 से इक्वेट कर दो. द बेस्ट वे ऑफ सॉल्विंग इट, ईजीएस्ट वे. अब कैसे इसको सॉल्व करोगे? सीधा x मिलेगा इसको सॉल्व करके. कैसे सॉल्व करना है? पहले तो कट 90, ठीक है, एंड देन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. सो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 8 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, 2x माइनस 4 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, एंड 3 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा 4x माइनस 4. मल्टीप्लाई कर दो अंदर, 16x माइनस 32 इज इक्वल टू 12x माइनस 12. सिंप्लीफाई करो इसको, 16x माइनस 12x इज इक्वल टू 32 माइनस 12. 16x minus 12x is 4x is equal to 20, and x is equal to 20 divided by 4, which is 5. So x की value 5 आ गई. We have to find the number of sides in each polygon. One more step and we are done. Okay, I will write above here because I have some free space. Therefore, number of sides in first polygon is equal to x, which is equal to 5, and number of sides in second polygon is equal to 2x, which is 2 into 5, which is 10. Now did you understand क्या किया मैंने? How did I solve it? See, if you have any doubt, please talk to me, please ask me. ठीक है, only Aditya is asking me. Kaya, if you have any problem, please ask me.
Sir, I can get this 2x minus 4 into 9. Sir, is this only the method to do it?
This is the only method to do it. This is the only method to do it. दोनों पॉलीगॉन के इंटीरियर एंगल्स के सम के रेशियो को 3/8 से इक्वेट कर दो. दैट्स द ओनली वे ऑफ डूइंग इट, बिकॉज दैट्स द ईजीएस्ट वे ऑफ डूइंग इट. यहाँ पे दूसरी कोई मेथड है ही नहीं. अगर बना सकते हैं वो भी इससे बहुत डिफिकल्ट और कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाएगी. सो दिस इज द ईजीएस्ट एंड द ओनली मेथड ऑफ डूइंग इट. राइट? You will do more such questions in homework. I will give you, I will make sure that you get, so that तुम्हारी practice हो जाए and then you understand it completely. But writing the final answer is compulsory. Yeah? Now we move to quadrilaterals. That is our next main topic. Okay, let's go ahead.